Alright, well these are the ones I'm going to be digging up today. I mean, they're not really looking ready. Some are falling over. They're about 90 days or so. And I know King Edward I would normally let go for about another month. So I don't mind. I'm still going to have potatoes. They're not going to be big probably, but that's fine because I want to use these pots for my next round of King Edward potatoes to give them at least 4 months in this pot. And it's like November, so it's going to go through the hottest parts. It's not going to be ready till like, you know, March, April. So I want to get some potatoes in now. So I'm going to harvest these even though it's probably a month early. Let's see what we get. Lots of worms. See, this soil's still really good. Other than, yeah, these little roots and that, which I'll get out. I can reuse this soil while refurbishing it with my mixture that would just go in it. Phew. So about 90 days old. So they're not going to be big, but I'm deliberately, I don't want them big. It's just about the timing of the season. Just with this lot, these are a nice size to just roast whole. So my 2 harvests so far of potatoes has yielded just under 6 kilos. I think it's 5.98. Now what that is in pounds, I can't remember, but it's 2.2 to a kilo, a pound to a kilo. So if I let these go for another month or so, yeah, these would have really taken off. But I want small-ish ones. These are a good size. Now this, I believe, was the King Edward. They look like King Edward. Well, it says unknown because there was some I wasn't sure, but I can see these are King Edward. So the unknown has become known. Holy crap, fly, go away. Get off me, fly. Ah, fly, I know where you live. So if you guys are wanting to know what the soil mixture was, I've got a video on doing soil mixture that I use for pretty much all my vegetables. And I'll try and remember what it all is just to. So, I mean, I've got regular soil. I'll have like chicken manure and or cow manure, some compost, cocoa peat, some phosphate, some potassium, some slow release food, some charcoal and ash from my fire pit, perlite, vermiculite. So there's a number of things that go into it, and I've probably forgotten some. Whoa, what's happened here? Where are the potatoes? Oh, here's one. That's actually not a bad size considering they're at 90 days and these can go to like 130 or more, so it's really up to a month and a half or so early. But I got to get these others in. There is one variety of potato that I haven't grown this season that I wish I had, and it's the russet Burbank. I find them just so good for turning them into fries or something. It's just, anyway. Next season, if I can't get, it's not too late to get my hands on some, but I haven't been able to find any, so I might just leave. Ew! What in the was? What is that? Oh, phew! Just it's a potato. Thought it was like a house of slugs. What are we going to get here? What are we going to get here? Seed potato. Yeah, these sizes aren't too bad actually. Seed potato, another King Edward, this variety. That's good. I like King Edward. Oh, it's not too bad. Just go and weigh it and see what we've got. Little ones don't even really count, but I'm counting them because my kids really like these really little ones. When I roast them, they're just like crunchy, they just love them. And I keep the skin on. I mean, this is alright, we've already got over 1.1 kilos. So it's like, it's alright so far. I'm pretty happy with this so far. I mean, holy mo... Hey, get back on there. I have a feeling it's somewhere around 3.3 is as far as this scale will go. I don't know. There you go. 3.362 grams, which is 3.362 kilos. Just under 7.4 pounds. Kilos, 3.361. Awesome. Now I'm just going to put them where I store them so I can cure them, and Bob's your uncle.